Let's see what's next. Take flight. What? Okay.
And he said that you would have a video clue.
Okay. Let's see what that is. Alright, so I guess that's number 2. Get slow. Taking
If it doesn't work, I got it for you.
Hi, Crystal. This is Bridget. I'm so happy to be a part of your amazing anniversary race surprise. You know, when Reggie sent me the invitation in the mail, I looked at
Oh
the
my
picture and I
goodness.
thought, wow, they still look great. Yes, I compared it to your photo here on your wedding CD, and I still have it with the ribbon attached. The CD is not inside because the CD is in my car because on occasion I still listen to it. So what I wanted to do was craft my message using the titles here in your CD. And here's my special anniversary message to you all. Lately I've been thinking, marriage is a thing of beauty. If this world were mine, I'd grant everyone that feeling of butterflies that you get when that someone special is close to you. I'm just happy that since I've seen you, things are going well. I'm sure the angels agree that you and Reg are fortunate to have each other. Conversations with him tell me that he's never felt this way about another. And I'm positive that if he hasn't said so, this anniversary surprise will say the words to you, I'm in love with you, I'm glad you're here with me, that I belong to you. So it is my wish and my prayer that he remain close to you, that you remain close to him, and that you both remain close to Jehovah. Okay, so let's get down to business. This is what you're supposed to do. You will need to travel to PTI Airport in Greensboro, North Carolina. Once there, you will need to take Delta Flight 1193 to ATL, Georgia. Your ticket information has been provided. Upon arriving, look for and find a familiar face within the gate area. You will then be provided with the next clue. Last but not least, I need to tell you, don't forget, your man loves you. Okay, so, love you, girl. Don't forget, PTI Airport, Delta Flight 1193, ATL, Georgia, and you have a blast. And once again, congratulations, you guys.
Oh my goodness. Well, I wasn't expecting
So
that.
here's your flight information.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Let's go.